my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I do hope you all enjoy the ending of this video. In this video, I am just bringing to you a simple, cute, soft glam look. I do think this is a very soft glam eye look that I created. The overall look is very soft. And I'm so happy because I finally got a chance to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills soft glam eyeshadow palette. I've been holding on to this soft glam palette forever. I just recently used this palette in my previous look that I just put up not too long ago. It was a mix using that palette and the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette. But this video, I am strictly only using the soft glam palette for this eyeshadow look, and I will say I love the look. I love the turnout. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this look. And before I let you go, hey you who's new to my channel, how are you? We haven't seen you here before. I hope you enjoy this video, because after it I would love for you to thumbs up and subscribe. Yeah, I'm talking to you. I'm talking to you. You. Yeah. If you like this video, you don't look around. Why are you looking around? I don't understand. Who else is here? Just me and you. But yeah, I do appreciate you all looking at this video, and if you do like it, please thumbs it up for me. Let me know that you appreciate, you know, the time that I took, the 2 hours, 36 minutes, 14 seconds to get this film for you guys. And make sure you leave comments below. I would love to interact with you all. I say that all the time. Also, make sure you keep up with me on my social media accounts. I always leave a banner at the end of my videos. Can't really miss it unless you don't watch the whole video. Alright, so I do not plan to talk your heads off, so I'm just gonna shut up and I'm gonna go ahead and roll the film.